How legit is the FANTTIK cordless pressure washer, and is it actually powerful enough to clean your stuff? I'm going to break down what you're really getting and if it's worth it. So, to get started, this is a portable battery powered pressure washer designed for light cleaning like cars, bikes, windows, and outdoor furniture. Then, you need to understand the main advantage, which is convenience. Since it's cordless, you don't need a faucet or bulky setup. You can pull water from a bucket or container, which makes it super easy to use anywhere. Next, let's talk about performance. This is where expectations matter. It does have a decent pressure for dirt, dust, and light grime, but it's nowhere near as strong as traditional pressure washer. So, if you're dealing with heavy mud or deep stains, it's probably not going to be enough. After that, the usability is actually solid. It's lightweight, easy to carry, and simple to set up. Most versions also come with adjustable spray modes, so you can switch between a gentle rinse and a stronger stream. Now, here's what you should watch out for. A lot of ads make it look way more powerful than it actually is. This is more of a convenience tool, not a heavy duty cleaner. Also, since it's battery powered, you're limited by runtime, so it's better for quick cleaning rather than long sessions. Overall, is it legit? It's not a scam. It works for light, portable cleaning, but it is a bit overhyped if you expect full pressure washer performance.